Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today I am doing Tili Kannada grade 5 children. Okay, Kannada textbook, Tili Kannada textbook, grade 5 children. Okay, so I have not written because it's like annual exam time, right? So I'm not getting time at all to do the videos. I'm very busy in other subjects and other classes. Okay, so I'm really sorry for that. So let's start. Okay, if you have your classwork, you can take out your classwork and you can read with me. Okay, yeah. So lesson 10, Pata 10, Dhira Balaka Narendra. Okay, Dhira Balaka Narendra. Dhira Balaka means the brave boy Narendra. Okay, Narendra means a boy name. Padagala Artha, meanings. Ari Tili. Ari Tili. Kutuhala Tavaka. Kutuhala Tavaka. Parive Arivu. Parive Arivu. Upaya Mukti, that is. Okay, Yukti. Upaya Yukti means idea. Chintane Yochane. Chintane Yochane means thinking. Ari Tili, understand. Kutuhala Tavaka. Kutuhala means what we can say, the happiness, the Kutuhala, happiness, excitement. Okay. Parive Arivu means understand, knowledge. Upaya means idea. Chintane means yochane, thinking. Okay. Next, what we have here? Change genders. Okay. So, you know, right? Feminine to masculine gender. Tande Tai. Tande Tai. Tande means father. Tai means mother. Geleya Gelati. Geleya Gelati. Geleya means a boy plus friend. Gelati means girl plus friend. Okay. Balaka Balaki. Balaka means boy. Balaki means girl. Avanu. Just a minute. Yeah. Avanu Avalu. Okay. Avanu means he. Avalu means she. Okay. Next. Ekavachana mattu bahuvachana. This is who. Okay. He has written wrong. It's bahuvachana. Okay. Ekavachana mattu bahuvachana. Singular and plural. Bahuvachana. But children, this is. Don't get wrong. This is wrong spelling. Okay. Bahuvachana. Prani Pranigalu. Animal Animals. Prani Pranigalu. Ata Atagalu. Ata means game. Atagalu means games. Shishya Shishyaru. Shishya means student. Shishyaru means students. Then Pustaka Pustakagalu. Pustaka means a textbook. Pustakagalu means textbooks. Udaharane Udaharanegalu. Udaharane means example. Udaharanegalu means examples. Okay. Next, Viruddha Padagalu. Opposites. Antonyms. Viruddha Padagalu. Kashta Sukha. Kashta Sukha. Kashta means the struggling. Sukha means happy. So Sukha here, 2 dots should come. See, like this. This one is Sukha, correct? Okay. No, this is not wrong. Okay. Kashta Sukha. Kashta means the hard time. Sukha means the happy times. Like that also you can take. Janana Marana. Janana means birth. Marana means death. Janana Marana. Kirti Apakirti. Kirti means success. Apakirti means unsuccess. Okay. Ase Nirase. Ase means desire, wish. Nirase means no wish, no desire. Okay. Opposite of wish. Next. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. ನರೇಂದ್ರನು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾವು ಹರಿದಾಡಿತು. Narendra was sitting, no? He was sitting for meditation, right? He was sitting for meditation. That time what happened? The snake has, yes, it went on his body. Correct, no? But then also he didn't notice at all. Correct? So Narendranu dhyana means meditation. When he was meditating, that time mai mele havu haridaditu. Havu means a snake. Okay? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ನರೇಂದ್ರನಿಗೆ ಭೂತದ ಬಗೆಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಭೂತದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನರೇಂದ್ರನಿಗೆ ಭೂತದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಕುತೂಹಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಭೂತ. ಭೂತ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಘೋಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನರೇಂದ್ರನು ನಾನು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಉರಿವ ಕೆಂಡಿವನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲಿಟ್ಟರು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ he said, no, Narendra said, whenever I'm reading anything, you keep the candle, the hot candle in front on me, or coal, okay, the hot coal, the charcoal on me, then also I'll not bother. Like that it is. So it means that much he'll deep in studies whenever he is studying. Clear? Yeah. Next, ಶಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಜೀವನ ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯವೇ ಮರಣ. ಶಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಜೀವನ ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯವೇ ಮರಣ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮರಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಹೂಮ್? ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಹೂಮ್? ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ತಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಅಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದರು? ನರೇಂದ್ರ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಭಯದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಂಬಬಾರದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಕೇರಿ ಟಾಕ್ಸ್. If somebody will tell, hey, don't go there, there is a ghost, you should not believe that all. Okay, but you have to believe in your God. Correct? Yes. So ಭಯದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಂಬಬಾರದು. Who said to whom? Again Narendra said to friends. ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? How is it possible? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದರು? ದ ಡಯರ್ಸನ್. Okay, this is a correct spelling, this is a wrong spelling, please write this. Dyerson said to Vivekananda that Narendra boy is known as Vivekananda. Okay, next, answer the following. ಬಾಲಕ ನರೇಂದ್ರನ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಹರಿದು ಹೋಯಿತು? ಬಾಲಕ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಹರಿದು ಹೋಯಿತು? What has gone on his body, on his Narendra's body? ಬಾಲಕ ನರೇಂದ್ರನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾವು ಹರಿದು ಹೋಯಿತು. ಹಾವು, ದ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ on his body, right? Yes. ನರೇಂದ್ರನು ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದನು? ಸೊ he was waiting for someone, no? ನರೇಂದ್ರ, to whom he was waiting in the garden. ತೋಟ means garden. ನರೇಂದ್ರನು ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕಾದನು. ಭೂತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ. ಸೊ he was waiting in garden for the ghost. Next question. ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಹಂಸರು ನರೇಂದ್ರನನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಹೆಸರಿನಿಂದ ಕರೆದರು? ಸೊ ದ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಹಂಸ, what he called for Narendra? So he called Narendra as Vivekanand. So first his name was Narendra, children. Then he got a name as a Vivekananda from his teacher, that is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Okay, next. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸಂದೇಶವೇನು? ಸಂದೇಶ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ Swami Vivekananda gave a message to the people. ಜನರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ ಎಚ್ಚರಗೊಳ್ಳಿರಿ, ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದವರೆಗೂ ನಿಲ್ಲದಿರಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ he said, the Swami Vivekananda said, get up, awake, wake up, ಎಚ್ಚರಗೊಳ್ಳಿರಿ, awake, till you will achieve your goal, don't sleep at all. Like that it is. So in exam time you have your goal, right? I have to get this much marks, I have to get first rank, I have to get second rank. See children, now I want to tell you something for all children, also for the parents also. The ranking is not important at all. So how much the child understood the concept, that is more important. Don't believe, see example, if you just take any like big people, okay, any big people, just you don't know what they have done, how much they have scored in SSLC, how much they have scored in PUC, right? But then also they achieved so many things. Take an example of Sachin Tendulkar only. Okay, like that. Their marks doesn't matter at all, but you have to understand the concept, what is behind that. Okay, that is more important. Don't think, oh, Sanvi ma'am said marks is not important, I'll just show to this one to my parent, so they will take it as a serious. No, it's not like that. Marks also important, but I'm not telling you should not force. Okay, you should not force your children to get first rank or second rank. Like that it is. Yeah, because the school life is enjoying. You have to enjoy as you have to study also. Okay, children? Yeah. Next question. Swami Vivekanandaru janara kashta hege aritaru. So how he understood the struggle of the people. Swami Vivekanandaru janara kashta desha sutti aritaru. So he has roamed full country. He has roamed whole country. So then he understand the struggling of a people, normal people. Okay, next. So that's it about this chapter. Then we are coming to Shravana Kumara. Okay, so the